Assalamu alaikum, smart peoples. Hope you are guys doing well. Our today's topic is KPI. So, what is KPI? KPI's full meaning is Key Performance Indicator. Basically, when we run ads on Google ad platform, this we can see some metrics on the dashboard. So, together, this metrics called KPIs, Key Performance Indicator. So, what's this metric is? There you can see many types of metrics, but some of them are very important, and we're gonna discuss today about those one. First, let's search a ad like plumbing on Florida. Florida. Okay. So now, what is impression? When you when you run a ad, how many times your ads are showing front of your audiences or users, the total number of this metric is called impressions. Like suppose you run your Google Ads 1 week ago, and after 1 week you see the impression is 154 or suppose like 200. That means 200 times your ads showed front of your audiences. Then what is clicks? The number of times the ads is shown front of your audience, then the how many times they clicks on them, that is basically called the clicks matrix. Means if 200 times your means suppose 200 times your ads shown front of audiences, among that 50 times users clicks on your ad. Okay. Then what is CTR? CTR is basically just the ratio of impression and clicks. Like this will be a lot of number. If you run your Google Ads for 1 month, like impression will go 1K plus, clicks will get 200 plus. So the CTR is basically suppose from 100 impressions, 10 times is the 100 100 impressions, 8 times is the ads got clicked, then the CTR comes here 8.44%. That's how the calculation got here, the Google makes that. Then what is average CPC? Average CPC means average cost per click, means the times here your users clicks on your ad, the cost of your per clicks. Here we can see as example $3.42, $3.42 are Google cutting for your per clicks. Okay, then what is cost? Very simply, if I say, if you run your Google ads for the last 1 month, the total number of it got clicks and the average CPC, the if we multiply the number, the clicks and the average CPC, then the total cost come here. It means what's your total ad cost. Then conversions. Conversions is basically the goal. Here we can see if we search plumbing in Florida. So our main goal is what? People come to our websites and make an phone call. Like here, this person's his main call is call us. Okay, making phone call. So if a customer click on this ad and he make a phone call, then that's our one conversion, and this conversion is here short. Two conversions you can say as example. Then another matrix is cost per conversion or CPA. That is not shown here, but there's what that basically is the very simple. The total number of conversions. If you sorry, the total on, cost of your conversions. So suppose you got 10 conversions on 1 month. So if per conversion rate was $2, then the total conversion rate will be 10 multiplied 2 is $20. So that's it, what is CPA or cost per conversions. Yes, that's it guys. That's a very simple explanation of the metrics on your dashboard or the KPI, key performance indicator. Hope this video is useful to you. And See you in the next video. Allah Hafiz.